Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's look at our cards today. Nothing is too small to feel thankful for. $25. Pamper. Infuse your day with pleasure. Giving yourself a treat is essential. Infuse today with pleasure. A hot bath, wine, or time alone. How will you pamper yourself? You deserve it. You're not responsible for other people's actions, only your reactions. Frog. Prosperity. Let go of the past and embrace change. Opportunities are close at hand. Hop into this new day with joy. Abundance and good fortune await you. Alrighty, which envelope has our quotes today? Until you value yourself, you won't value your time. Until you value your time, you will not do anything with it. M. Scott Peck. If you love someone, pray for them. Pray for their peace. Pray for their growth and success. Pray for their happiness. It's a good reminder. Judge no one. Just improve yourself. You're the cream to my coffee. Your struggle is part of your story. I am staying open to unexpected miracles. Thank you. If you only walk on sunny days, you'll never reach your destination. And the last one today. Note to self. I always have the power to imagine something different for my life. Joe Duncan. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.